Hi, I'm here at MSPO 2019 with Marco Lupo, who's president of Leonardo Poland. Could you talk to us a bit about the new generation W3 upgrade, please?
Yes, we, Leonardo Poland, in collaboration with the Polish Armament Group, are proposing to Polish Armed Forces the W-3 next generation helicopter. Is a proposal that is based on legacy W-3 Sokol platform that is already operated by the Polish Armed Forces, which we are proposing a totally new modern avionics system derived from the avionics system of the W-169 with integration with a new weapon system and a new blade. The blade in particular is developed by our company, Poland, in collaboration with other Polish aviation entities, is in composite material. So the integration of all these elements, these features on the W3 makes the helicopter a next generation platform with the possibility to operate for other 30 years to fulfill the requirements of Polish Armed Forces and with an avionics according to the most modern NATO standards.
And how much will this upgrade increase the service life of the aircraft?
Well, the upgrades allows the helicopter to operate for other 30 years for the Polish Armed Forces operational activities, having a very low operating cost because the avionics is modern, is based on 3 multifunction displays with the incorporation of other technologies like a 4-axis digital autopilot, synthetic vision system, flight management system, a FADEC, so a full authority digital engine control that allows to take under control all the parameters of the engine. And additionally, I mentioned the blade. The blade will extend the flight envelope of the helicopter, allowing an increase of 200 kilograms of the max takeoff weight, so 200 kilograms more in terms of useful load, and an increase of the performances of the helicopter. So the combination of all these factors makes the W3 a next generation helicopter.
Thanks for speaking to us.